Hi creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Creative Light. Thank you all so much for your support, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos, for leaving nice comments, and also subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate them all. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to use the pearl setting machine. You can use the pearl setting machine to design different stuffs, right? It's quite easy to use than beading with hand needle. I hope you understand me. So today I'll be showing us how to bead with the pearl setting machine. All right. So this thing here is called pearl setting machine, and it came with 5 dices. This one is 1, while there are 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it came with this screw, right? Then this one here is called pins, right? Then this one is called holeless pearls. They don't have holes. They come in different sizes, right? So depending on the size you get from the market, you use this one. You open it here, you just screw it and change it to another one depending on the size you want to work with. I hope you understand me. Just screw it there, right? So it's just this size 6 pearl I'm working with, so I'm going to use this size 6 pearl. The next thing I'm going to do is to put my pearl here, up here, right? Then I'll put the pin, just one, down here. I'll take my piece of fabric, right? See the way I kept it? I'll push this one down, right? Then raise this one up, this handle, and release it. Can you see? I'll do it again. I'll put my pearl up here, then the pin, I'll put it down here. I'll place my fabric in between, just on top like this. I'll press this one down. I take this handle up, then I release it. So it's very easy to make. Can you see? This is basically how to use a pearl setting machine. All right, if you found this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, leave a nice comment, share this video to your family and friends, and who knows, your enemies too. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel.